Have you ever thought about making a YouTube channel but didn't know how to set up the audio or even what mic to pick? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a microphone that is studio quality that you can get for $100 in the link down below. Get it for your friends or family or even as a gift. But no further ado, let's get it. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I am talking about the dynamic mic, the Podmic, made specifically for podcasting, guys. YouTubers, podcasters, guys. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Dude, look. This is great. Look at this. $199, guys. As I told you, I can get it for $99 right now if you click the link down below. But let's just read a little bit more about this mic. The Podmic USB is an ultra versatile dynamic microphone, ideal for podcasting, streaming, gaming. I'm a gamer, I love gaming, and guys, this right here is what you want. It's an XLR, so you definitely need the cables for the XLR, which doesn't cost much at all. It's like, what, $5 or something like that for an XLR? You can connect an interface right to your laptop and go and just start broadcasting, man. It's studio quality, man. Just like you might see me with the Shure mic, this is a lot more expensive, but this right here is very much affordable. If you look at my old videos, in my investing videos, you'll actually see me using this mic. As you guys can see, I have the Podmic right here, man. I have the Podmic right here. Yes, I still use this mic. If I need to go off and shoot, I have a backup mic right here. I use this and I unplug it and I plug it in real quick. It uses an XLR right here, XLR cable with a Podmic, and I click it in and I go. So guys, best mic under $100, because this mic that I'm using right here, this is not $100, bro. This is more closer to $1,000. This right here, very affordable. I started not just with this. This was one of my second mics. There was this Rode, which is a very nice brand. And you guys, this is going to be the closest thing to quality that you get. The Podmic. Guys, XLR cable, plug it and play. And it sounded great. It's a digital USB output. It's Rode, which is trusted. Guys, the Podmic is fully compatible with iOS and Android mobile devices, guys. This is great. Look, studio grade processing, XLR and USB connectivity, broadcast capability. Let's look. Look, XLR cables. This is what you need, guys. This is the stand that you need for it. They even got the backpack right here. Pro sound when creativity calls. A high powered, the Podmic USB delivers warm, highly detailed audio with incredible clarity. Look, guys, this is, I'll show you this. I can get this for you guys under $100, bro, on Amazon. Click the link down below. All in one solution, guys. Click it up. You ever want to be a podcaster or a YouTuber? You guys really can be going off with this right here, guys. So I want to be able to bring this to you guys for anybody who's aspiring, wondering about getting in YouTube, wondering about doing podcasts. It's very popular, man. Right now, it's the digital gold rush, guys. And if you're waiting for something different to happen, it's not going to happen. You got to get into making content right now. And this is one of the best ways, I think, that you can be getting in, is really investing in yourself. Not only investing in the stock market, but investing in yourself. Investing in yourself is very important, guys. So remember, audio, without good audio, no one's going to listen. You can have crappy video, but if you got crappy audio, who's going to want to listen to that? Guys, I'm telling you, this Podmic that they have right here is all in one. You can take your studio on the road. As you see me, I travel. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a truckpreneur. I own semi-trucks. I do trucking, but I also do making money online and all this and that. You can take this on the road. As you guys have seen, multiple of my videos actually recording on my truck. So like I said, not only you connect the Podmic USB to your favorite interface, you can also connect it to your laptop or computer. Guys, this right here is the best, man. Like, as far as like you want to, you know, shoot and go, the Podmic is good, guys. I would say get it right here. Boom, like I told you guys, 99 bucks right here on Amazon, man. Click the link below. Click the link below, man. Get this Podmic. Like I said, you can buy it for yourself as a gift. You can buy it for yourself for a friend or anybody you know that is actually wanting to get in to podcasting or YouTube, or even your child or your friend or your girlfriend. If they want to do it, you can easily buy that mic. 99 bucks. Click the link down below and get started, man. Like I said, if you guys want to learn how to invest, you can click the link right here. Make money online. You can click the link right here as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.